Good morning, everybody. We are in Grand Junction, Colorado, and we are about to head out to Escalante Canyon. It's about 30 minutes from my house. Pretty easy trail, and it's pretty scenic. Almost looks like Utah, but you're not in Utah. And I'll be on my KLR 650 today. This is Synth Ninja. Might as well just go ahead and introduce you. I'm a diehard KLR guy. I absolutely love them. I've been riding this bike for about 6 years, almost 7, and it has treated me very well. Me and this bike go back. I've rode this bike up the 2 tallest paved roads in America. I have taken this thing on some of the most challenging trails in Colorado and southern Utah, and this thing has just changed my life. I just love riding this thing. But anyway, without further ado, we're going to stop and get some gas and hit the road. Let's go. Wow, look at this, guys. This is awesome. Awesome, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying the adventure. Wow. Look at that. right, guys, so that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys made it this far, I really appreciate you guys watching and sticking around. That was a crazy ride, and the KLR made it. It survived another adventure. We got a lot of cool adventures ahead. Please subscribe if you want to see more. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. All right, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you in the next one.